Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you're all fit and fine in the best state of health and iman, and I hope that you are having great time with your family and you are preparing well for exams. So as you know that this is your English period, and what are we going to do today? We are going to start our folder work today. So for that purpose you are requested to take out your folder and then write down your name and section. All right, and then what is given here, this is the syllabus of all the subjects given on the very first page, so that you would know that what you have to learn and prepare for the first term or in this term. All right, and then you are requested to take out page number 2. Here you can see page number is given, page number 2. We are going to do this exercise on worksheet number 2, rhyming words, which we have already done in your textbook when we were doing the poem Robin, remember? So we are going to do this rhyming word exercise in the folder now, and you have already done this in your textbook earlier. So Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. You are all requested to write down the date first. It's 2nd May today. It is Shawwal, day is Wednesday, and then write down CW. So you know very well what are rhyming words, the words which have similar ending sound, same ending sound. Question 1, find rhyming words from the poem Robin for the following words. You have already done this exercise in your book. You can take help from there, as well as all the images and PDFs were shared at that time when you were doing this. But I would really appreciate if you will not seek help and you will try to do it independently by yourself. So word number 1 is sweetly, neatly, and I have done these two for you. Okay, neatly, sweetly. Number 2, roots, and then rhyming word would be fruits if you'll check in the poem Robin. 3, leather. 4, banks. 5, rolled. 6, bore. 7, light, which I have given the rhyming word as well, light. Bright, same ending sound, similar. 8, dream. 9, leap. 10, haze. 11, few. Number 12 is fair. Okay, so start doing it by yourself very neatly. Okay, now what we are going to do next, now you have to take out page number 7, and on page number 7 again we are going to do the exercise which we have already done in the book. If you remember, when we were doing unit 1, Dorothy meets the scarecrow, we didn't do it in the book. If you remember, exercise B1 was there on page number 7. Can you find these words in the story? The letters are not in the correct order. We didn't do this exercise in the book, but we practiced it in our spelling bee contest, if you remember. Okay, so what we have to do? For suppose they have given you jumbled words, means the letters of the word are not in the correct order. They are not in the right place. They are not making any sense. They do not have any meaning. Like if you can see fat stuff, it is not a proper word. It does not have any meaning. It is not making any sense. So we will put the letters in the correct order in order to give it a proper sense and meaning, like STUFFED, stuffed, bhara hua. Okay, so this is how you have to unjumbled all the given words, and then you will write them here after giving the letters their proper place and position and giving them proper sense. Okay, like crow's race, it is not making any sense. You have to unjumbled, you have to put the letters in their correct places, and then you have to make a proper word. Like crow's race can be SCARE S-C-R-E, scare. C-R-O-W, scarecrow. As the words given here are in uppercase, capital letter, so you also have to write down all the words in capital letter, okay? Then next is lamebread, Hodzergate, coal finer, Gledfrey. These are all jumbled words. You have to put the letters in the correct order by yourself. I know you are very smart. You can do it by yourself, okay? If you are having any kind of issue, you just take out your textbook and then open unit number 1. Dorothy meets the scarecrow. You will find all these words in that chapter, okay? Now on page number 8, what we have to do, again we are going to do the exercise we have already done in the book, and you are already being given the images and the PDFs, okay? And question 3 is, again you have to write down the date also beta, okay? It's 2nd May and Wednesday, and then CW is a must. Question 3 is write opposites for these words. आपको opposites लिखने हैं, ठीक है? The words are given, आपको इसका उलट लिखना है, मुतज़ाद. You will find a few of them in the poem. Again, we did this exercise on page number 12. B1, write opposites for these words, okay? So we are going to do this exercise in the folder now, as you know that the folders were not available initially. So word number 1 is never, kabhi bhi nahi, and the opposite would be always, hamesha. No one, koi bhi nahi. Everyone, har koi. Quickly, and then you will write slowly, tezi se, आहिस्तगी से. Liked, as you can see, it is D added with the word, so it is showing that the word is in past tense form, so the opposite will also be written in the past tense form, okay? Liked, disliked, पसंद किया, नापसंद किया. Friend, went, it is again the past tense of the verb go, so you will also write the opposite in the past tense. Went, came, and then come, and then foolish. I know that you can do it all by yourself, beta. Still, if you have any confusion, you may ask me, okay? All right, my dear students, that's all for today. I hope that I am cleared and you have understood each and everything. Take very good care of yourself. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.